So this is extra which will appear in your module. Okay, so relation can be represented. What is relation? Relation, let's say these two sets. These two sets, their relation is x squared, because negative 3 square will becomes 9. Negative 1 square will becomes 1. 2 square will becomes 4. Negative 2 square will becomes 4. And 3 square will becomes 9. So this is the relation between these two sets with a function connect it. Okay, so our relation can represent in 3 methods. The first one, arrow diagram. Okay, arrow diagram. So this is the arrow diagram. You will see two sets like this, and then the arrow connected it. And then the graph teacher later will show you later. And then the order pair, pasangan tertib. So later teacher will teach you how to write in order pair. Okay, for example, this example. Given set P is this, the elements in set P and the elements in set Q. So set P, all the elements in set P, all the elements in set Q. So just now teacher already explained what is this. So this one, negative 3, because the function connect these two sets is by x squared. So negative 3 square will becomes 9. Negative 1 square becomes 1, and so on. So this is how we represent our relation in arrow diagram with two sets, and then you draw the arrow diagram by following the function given. The function is x squared. How the negative 3 goes to 9? Because negative 3 square equals to 9. Negative 1 square equals to 1. This is arrow diagram. As long as we see the arrow, mesti ada arrow. Without the arrow, this is no arrow diagram. Okay, graph. How to represent in graph? Okay, so all the elements in horizontal garis melintang are set P, and all the elements in vertical line mencang-cang is set Q. Okay, so negative 3 will match to 9. So negative 3 goes to 9. Negative 2 square equals to 4. Negative 1 square 1. 2 square will goes to 4. 3 square will goes to 9. So this is arrow diagram. This is a graph. Then how are we going to represent in order pair? Order pair. Pairs meaning pasang. So how we pasang? We know that negative 3 will match to 9. So sepasang. Negative 1 will match to 1. Another pasang. Another pair. Negative 2 will match to 4. Okay? And then 2 will match to 4. And last one, 3 will match to 9. Okay? After you close pair by pair, remember this bracket must use this special bracket. This is called set bracket. Set bracket. Must use this set bracket to close it. Okay. So these 3 to represent our relation. And then how many types of relation do we have? We have 4 types of relation. Very easy to follow. One-to-one relation, meaning one object go to one image. One object go to one image. One object go to one image. One-to-many, meaning one object. Yes, this is one object, one image. But this one object split to how many images? Goes to 2 images. Even though the rest are going to 1. But as long as you have one split to 2 images or 3 images, this is one to many. Many to one means many will goes to one. Semua merebut sini. Okay? Not semua, many merebut sini. So these 2 object will goes to one image, even though this one is one to one, and then this one has no pasangan. Never mind, as long as you see there are many goes to one, this is considered as many to one relation. Many to many, complicated relation. One to many and one to many and many to one.